President ke UDP uba Metbah lengdo Khmih Lynti baki Longkmie ru Khmih Khmih ban pan tiket ban yakun ke election MLA Arhajar Arhulai Henry hadu menta kimpat don habakren menta kan ruteri uno opera Arhajar Arhuar uba Metbah uloong bahaka jinsisha ke UDP ke Khmih Lynti ban don ki Longkmie ban mi Khmih shaka sain perthai menta ka sngi ka pelai lai pu arngut ki kertong bat baro ki dei kirang ba sudah
behind it. Okay, I mean, as I always say, I'll never come to any conclusion by just reading a newspaper today. I'm not saying anything about that's a job of the media that you have to do it whenever you get any kind of news or something like that. But for me, I feel that it'll be right and appropriate for me to find out the truth and then see what steps that we will take from the party.
But do you think that inquiry is required for all such irregular allegation of irregularities and scam?
See, time and again we have been for that always. Whenever there's some doubts which we felt that yes, from the party side, we see that there's something wrong somewhere, someplace. We inquire when we felt that this is a genuine kind of allegations, then it has to go into this kind of inquiries.
Do you see?
Kaba nakalian jonga personally na don ke snow wakrawa na Khmih Lynti ba kin don ki Longkmie ki ban apply ticket mo habangila yu ki ticket ba kati ba kapor ban le election de adu mentang pat don ki lagi ki kan candidate Longkmie candidate ke thai ki ban wan sakman na kamanta de nakalian jongi ko party or ni happe ru ya ka ka benta ka ba nakalian jong ka circle level, constituency level, I should say, dan the district level. Kapag ginapag simin ba ba kiya kun kan given points ka tom. Then ada kwa iru ba given don hi Longkmie ki bandan na makai. Sinchar khadar ba ka state ka.
So do you 2023?
There's no anti-incumbency at all. We are working as a party, as a team. We have been able to declare the names of 32 names candidates officially today. This speaks that the party is united as one. We may have differences, whatever it is, but we sort it out within the party. That is the internal matter of the party. Whenever anybody have the freedom to express anything within the party. So I don't see any kind of anti-incumbency.
But don't you think
because
that
we share, we discuss, we interact, we communicate, we coordinate. So it is through all those processes that we could reach to this level of announcing the official candidates. This is not one man, decision, or just one committee or something. There's a process. We have followed the process religiously.
But don't you think that the Mokro incident,
see, that is, we are a bit upset about Mokro, no doubt about it, but it's up to the government to see that what needs to be done.
So
well, as far as the People Alliance is concerned, I think that was the outcome of the People Alliance, I think, as we have seen in the last election, was not proper. So that's why we decided that we have very good understanding. As of now, we still have the RDA in place till the end of this term, and we still have the very good understanding.